Let's start question number 10 of exercise 3.3. Previously, we completed up to question number 9. Today, we'll start from question number 10. So, 10th question is, explain how this figure is a trapezium. Which of its two sides are parallel? Firstly, you are to tell in these two figures, in this figure 3.32. In this figure 3.32, you are to tell how it is a trapezium and which of its two sides are parallel. First of all, let's see what are the properties of trapezium. We know that what is a trapezium here, when two of the sides are parallel, और जब two sides parallel होती हैं, so then we know that if two sides are parallel, right, then these two angles are angles on the same side of the transversal and sum of these two angle is 180 degree. ठीक है, अगर आपके पास ये लाइंस पैरेलल होती हैं, ठीक है, these two lines are parallel, then these two adjacent angles का सम 180 डिग्री होता है. अब जैसे पैरेललोग्राम में सभी एडजेसेंट एंगल्स अगर हम 2 लेते हैं, कोई भी ले लें ए बी सी डी में से, ए बी बी सी सी डी या डी ए, then their sum is 180 degree because opposite sides are parallel here. But in trapezium only one pair of opposite side is parallel. तो इसमें अगर आपके पास ये दोनों लाइंस, these two lines are parallel, तो इन दोनों एंगल्स का सम 1 और 2 का सम जो है वो 180 डिग्री हो जाता है. सो सेम हियर वी हैव, इफ यू सी दिस फिगर, in this figure you can see this one angle is 100 degree, one angle is 80 degree. 100 plus 80 is equal to 180. 100 degree plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree, right? It means these two lines are parallel. If these two, sum of these two interior angle is equal to 180 degree, अगर दो angles जो adjacent हैं उनका sum 180 degree हो जाता है, then that means opposite sides are parallel, right? And if one pair of opposite side is parallel, what does it mean? It's a trapezium. And which of the sides are parallel here? You can see LMN and LK, right? Here we can do it like as 100 degree plus 80 degree. You can write down as angle M plus angle L is equal to 100 plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. So what does it mean? This implies NM is parallel to KL. This implies KLMN is a trapezium here. This implies this is a trapezium as one pair of opposite side is parallel. And why it's parallel? Because sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180, then opposite sides will be parallel here. The next question is question number 11, and for this we have given the figure 3.33, and the question is find measure of angle C if AB is parallel to DC. It's same as a 10th question, जैसा हमने 10th में किया है, बस इसमें एंगल्स गिवन थे और इसमें एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है, right? So here you are to find out this angle C, and these two lines are parallel given here. This is the figure of question number 11, and it's measure करना है आपको एंगल C और आपको given है एंगल B and AB is parallel to CD. So see, if these two lines are parallel, then sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Opposite है, adjacent हो गए. So what should it be? 60 degree. As you can see here, 180, 180. The same it should be here also. 120 plus 60, 180. So we'll do this question like angle C plus angle B is should be equal to 180 degree, and the reason is adjacent angles because opposite sides are parallel here, you can say. Then angle C you have to find out, B is 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degree, right? So this was the question number 11 now. Let's move to the next question now. Next question is question 11. Find the measure of angle P and S here. If SP is parallel to RQ, here SP is parallel to RQ in this figure 3.34, right? You are to find out measure of angle P and S. P and S. Okay, it's simple to find the same. If you will shift the trapezium, then you will get the figure something like this. ठीक है, तो इसमें भी सेम है, ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल है. देन हाउ टू फाइंड आउट P? P एंड Q का सम 180 होगा और S और R का सम 180. जैसे इसमें है L और M का सम 180, K और N का सम 180 होगा. इन दिस फिगर A और D का सम 180, B और C का सम 180. So same here in this figure number 3.34. Sum of P and Q should be equal to 180 and sum of S and R should be equal to 180 because these opposite sides are parallel here. So how to do this? What will be angle S? 90 degree. As R is 90, so 180 minus 90, 90 degree. This will be 50 degree. 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degree. Right? This will be 90 degree. This will be 50 degree. S plus R is equal to 180. Then S is equal to 180 minus 90 as R is 90. And here P plus Q 180. Then P plus 130 is equal to 180. Then P is 50 degree here. So this was the question number 12 and this was the exercise 3.3. Let's repeat the question number 12 again. See, here we have given figure PQRS, right? P, Q, R, S. Angle R is given here 90 degree and angle Q is given here 130 degree. You have to find out P and S where these two sides are parallel here. If you will turn it, you can see अगर ये दोनों पैरेलल हैं तो P और Q एडजेसेंट हो जाएंगे, S और R एडजेसेंट एंगल्स हैं. इन दोनों का सम कितना हो जाएगा? 180 डिग्री. रीजन बिकॉज ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल, तो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का सम 180 हो जाएगा. अब यहाँ पे Q और R का सम 180 नहीं है because these two opposite sides are not parallel. PQ and S are parallel नहीं है. So P और S or Q or R, these are also adjacent angles but not equal. Sum is not equal to 180 degree. ठीक है? So here angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree and the reason is adjacent angles these are, right? So P you have to find out. Q is given 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then 130 will be subtracted here. 180 degree minus 130 degree is equal to 50 degree. So we got angle P as 50 degree. Then next angle S plus R is equal to 180 degree. S you are to find out. R is given 90. Then 90 will be subtracted here and angle S will be 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. Right? So angle P is 50 degree, angle S is 90 degree. Now complete exercise 3.3. Next exercise is exercise 3.4. Before starting exercise 3.4, we'll revise the properties of quadrilateral. like kinds of quadrilaterals, right? See, first of all, kinds of quadrilateral में हमने किया था trapezium. ठीक है? What is a trapezium? When one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it's a trapezium here. One pair of opposite sides is parallel, then it's a trapezium, and other sides are non-parallel. And if other sides are equal, parallel sides can't be equal here. Other sides are equal. अगर parallel sides यहाँ equal हो जाती हैं, then it will be a parallelogram. Other sides are not equal. If other sides are equal, then it will be called isosceles trapezium, right? Second, we did kite. What is kite now? Where adjacent sides are equal, like this. Where ABCD is a kite, then AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. And angle B is equal to angle D. Okay. Then next was parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? When opposite sides are equal and parallel. Parallel also, equal also. Then it will be a parallelogram. Diagonals bisect each other at point. And opposite angles are equal and sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, right? Then next, a parallelogram is a rectangle. A parallelogram is a rectangle if its all angles are equal, not sides are equal, opposite sides are equal only, right? Okay, and its all angles are equal here, which will be equal to 90 degree. Then it will be a rectangle. In rectangle also, the opposite side, diagonals are also equal. Now the properties of rectangle is opposite sides are equal and parallel. All angles are equal to 90 degree. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other, right? Then let's move to the next, square. Square is a parallelogram is a square whose all sides and angles are equal and opposite sides are parallel also. All angles and sides are equal. Diagonals are also equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect each other at 90 degree, right? Then next is rhombus. Rhombus is also a kind of parallelogram. And what is the rhombus? Whose a parallelogram whose all sides are equal but angles are not equal. Whose all sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonals bisect each other, not equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So then it is called rhombus. So these were the properties, right? In next class, we will start exercise 3.4. These were the properties, revise these properties, and then we'll do exercise 3.4 based on these properties.